Next in Scratch, we are going to design a sprite which is moving inside a box whose borders are of different color. Whenever it is touching a border of any particular color, it should be saying the color of that border. So here we are choosing one robot. So this is a robot sprite. Here I am reducing its size from 100 to 40. Now we are designing its background. So here would be, we have increased the thickness of lines which we are going to design. So this is my black color border. Next I'm going to make as a red color border. Next it will be green color. And in the end we'll go for yellow color. So we have kept our sprite in between borders of different color. Now we'll go to coding. Now in the events, when green flag is clicked, then what we have to do, we want the sprite to move straight. So for that, again this, when green flag is clicked, we have to select sprite, otherwise we will be going to do coding in this background portion. Then we have to, then the sprite has to move straight, that is point in direction 90. Then in controls we'll go for forever block, and in this forever block we'll put this if then else. In this diamond, in this hexagon shaped structure, we have to put condition. So when the sprite is touching, first of all I'm giving it this for this black color. So we have to choose exact shade of this black color, otherwise it is not going to recognize this color as black. When it is touching this black color, then what it has to do, it has to say the name of this color. So instead of this hello, I'm putting name of this color as black for 2 seconds. Then it should take a turn. Here I'm saying it should take a turn of 135 degrees, and then it should wait for 0.4 seconds. So we have done our part for this black color. Now in else part, again we have to put this if then else block. In this hexagon, again we have to put if it is touching color red. We have to be very careful about this color selection, otherwise if color shade is minor different, then it won't be able to recognize that color as red. Then it has to say the name of that color. For 2 seconds, and again it has to take a turn. Here I'm saying 145 degrees. and then we have to put a wait of 0.4 seconds. Again an else part, we have to put if then else block. In hexagon we have to select the color, we have to put condition of color. Now it is for yellow color, this yellow we want, then it has to say the name of that color. For 2 seconds, again it has to take a turn. Of 200 degrees, and then we have to put a wait of few seconds. So here I am putting 0.4. Now we are left with this green line. So for that we don't want if then else block, we will select only if block. So this if we are going to put an else portion in this hexagon, again we have to put the condition of color. Now it is for green, this green we want. When it touches this green, then it has to say the name of this color. Yeah, instead of hello, it is green color. Then it has to take a turn. Instead of 15 here, I'm giving 270 degrees. And then it has to put, we have to put a wait of few seconds. 0.4 seconds I have given. Now before closing of this forever, we have now next what we have to do, we have to provide this movement to this sprite, because right now it is not moving. So for movement we have to go to motion and we have to choose this one, move 10 steps, and we have to put this before closing of this forever loop. And instead of 10 here I'm saying 0.6 steps. And if in case this sprite comes out of this box and touches the edge of the screen, then it should bounce back. So for that, if on edge, bounce back. So this is our code. When we click on this green flag, sprite will start moving because we have provided a motion speed of 0.6 seconds. So it is moving little slowly. Now it has touched red color. So it is saying red color red. Now here we can say that sprite is not straight. So for that we have to go to directions, and here we have to click this left right. This way it will be straight. Here we can increase its speed. I am saying 0.9. Now it is green color. Again it is doing random movement, so it can go anywhere. Here I am saying 1 step. So it is going to move little fast. Again it is green color. Now it is black color.